What is up and welcome to another video. So previously on this channel, I have discussed with you the KNC chart possible short entry from this level right here. So these are the two levels that I have discussed on my previous video. Here's the video for your reference. So this was the same chart. You are looking at the same chart, guys. And here's the update. This was the short entry point right here. So we have two possible short entry points from the previous video. So we have one here. This was actually a perfect entry. And right now the price is down by almost 9%. And if you're using 10x leverage, that is already 100% gain, guys. Not only that, this was also posted or shared in our VIP Discord. This was the chart that I have shared in the VIP Discord. So look at this entry, guys. Short entry at 0.8 and another short entry point here at 0.9. And let me just share with you the trade update here. KNC chart update. Congratulations, by the way, to those who were able to get into this trade. And of course, congratulations to the VIPs. Before we proceed any further, all the charts and TA in this video are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. And by the way, follow me on Twitter if you want to stay up to date with my latest trades and crypto updates. So let me just update here my post or my TA about KNC. So congratulations to my subscribers and to my followers. To those who were able to get into the trade, congratulations. And by the way, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. And let's move on to the next chart. Yesterday, I've discussed CRV, possible targets. And also, let's check what is the update about the hack that is around $100 million at stake. So yesterday I have tweeted about CRV hacked $100 million at risk. Watch this video. So I have made a video yesterday. This was the video and I have shared on this video my targets for CRV. Let's check the chart today if those targets were hit. So yesterday I've discussed my two possible targets here for CRV. First target will be around 0.58 and this one right here 0.51 up to 0.4733 and another red candle here for CRV. So congratulations if you were able to catch a trade. Yesterday I entered a short position at around 0.645. So this was my entry point here, 645. 0.64 somewhere here, and right now you should be up, or the trade should be up by, let's check how many percent. Where is that price range? Almost 7.17% down from my short entry point right here. And this entry was shared, by the way, in our VIP Discord. And of course, I have pointed out yesterday this bearish divergence here that will add up to the wound of CRV. So $100 million hack plus the bearish divergence, we should see a further drop to the downside. That is not a financial advice. I think it is likely that CRV would hit our target at 0.58. Let's see in the coming days. In the coming hours, I think this is going to hit the target anytime soon, but I could be wrong. So far, our trade is going to the right direction. And also, let me share with you some of the trades that I have shared in the VIP Discord today. This will be open to the public, but of course, not a financial advice. Trade at your own risk. All charts are for educational purposes only, so let me share with you the story about this trade. This was posted today in the VIP Discord. Let me share with you the trade setup and the possible targets. I suggest you do not enter the trade right now because you're already late. This was the entry that was posted today and it was perfect, guys. So here's SHIB trade that was posted in the VIP Discord. So the price was hovering at around 8603. This was approaching our short entry point today, and this have hit our entry point perfectly here. You see, this was the, let me just zoom this in. This was the entry point, 0.87. Let me show you, 0.8641 up to 0.8718. 8718 was around this area, guys. Look at that. Look at this entry right here. 0.838718. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, perfect entry point right there. And right now this is down by 3.25% from our short entry point. Beautiful entry right there. And here's the trade update, guys. So the moment I enter the trade, I have shared my entry point here, 0.24% using 3x leverage in OKX. By the way, if you want to trade with me in OKX, feel free to check out the link in the description down below. There will be up to $10,000 sign up bonus waiting for new traders. So again, I have shared my entry here the moment the limit order was hit. So 0.24%. Some of the VIPs got in as well, 36%, 30%, 3%, 67%. I have increased the leverage here to 50x. TP1 was hit today, 97%, 47, 102, 40%, 112, 122, 70%, 135, 85%, 146, 96%, 121%. Closing my trade in OKX. Binance is still open. Hashtag or attention to VIPs. Again, this is not a trade recommendation. I'm just sharing with you what you should expect inside the Discord channel. Anyways, let me share with you my Bitcoin's weekly chart. And I have shared this trade or the chart on my Twitter account today. I'm going to explain it with you on this video. While why I remain bearish on Bitcoin, especially on the weekly time frame. By the way, if you want to check out the chart and the details about this analysis, it was shared on my Twitter account. You can follow me on Twitter, or feel free to follow me on X, by the way, if you haven't already. So this chart was shared on my X account, and here's the analysis, guys. So in the weekly time frame, we have this support trend line, and this is still valid. And of course, we have all of these EMAs. We have the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA, and we have this dynamic reactor, all acting as a support, and this is in confluence with the support trend line. And this will act as our key level support for the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. And the reason why I remain bearish is because we have this huge bearish divergence forming in the oscillator. Of course, I am using Chart Prime Pro oscillator. This is a paid indicator. If you want to take advantage of this, check out the link. It's in the description down below. Right now, they have a 50% discount on their monthly or yearly plan. All right, so previously we had this double bullish divergence, and I have discussed this one as well. That is the reason why I have long Bitcoin from $16,000 up to $31,000. Let me share with you the previous trade. And also I have bought Bitcoin in spot. I have bought $10,000 Bitcoin in addition to the current holdings that I have. So here in the Legends channel in our VIP Discord, this was a previous trade, guys. So my entry price here was around 16,485, and I have closed the trade at around 31,000 or 30,900-ish, somewhere around that zone. All right, so that was a beautiful trade, and the reason for that, and by the way, I have shared that entry on my Twitter account. That is why, if you want to stay up to date, feel free to follow me on Twitter. Let me just share with you the previous post of that long position. All right, so here on my profile, Bitcoin was trading at around 16,800, and majority is calling for 10K, expecting for a big crash first quarter 2023. I'm going against the grain. In my own opinion, Bitcoin will hit 20,000 first rather than 10K. So at this time, I have set a long position at 16,000, swing long up to $31,000, and also I have bought Bitcoin in spot. Going back to the chart, so in the weekly time frame right now, let me explain to you. Let me share with you first what is a divergence. So previously we had a bullish divergence here. So what you can see, the price is forming lower lows while the oscillator fails to make new lows. We had a double bullish divergence here. Hence we have seen a price or the reversal from this downtrend and a breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And right now I am looking at this possible bearish divergence that is forming in the weekly time frame. And of course, I am looking for these possible targets. First target will be 28,000 up to 28,500. I have discussed this on my previous video. And we have order blocks here using, of course, chart prime smart money concept. And we have our major support in confluence with the 200-day moving or 200 exponential moving average. This is around 24,500 up to $25,300. This was the previous resistance and breakout point for Bitcoin. All right, so let me just this area right here. So major support, and this will be the first target in the weekly time frame, just in case. Actually, this is playing out right now, so this will be my first target. I am still expecting a $28,500 target for Bitcoin in the coming weeks. Of course, again, not a financial advice. And this will be the 2-day chart. So same here, we have this support trend line, we have this 200 EMA in the 2-day time frame, 2 days time frame. This is in confluence with the key level support. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame and in the lower time frame, we also have this bearish divergence forming here. But right now, this discount zone is still holding. But of course, we have all of this EMAs acting as resistance for Bitcoin. So in the shorter time frame, this is still trading in range in between 29 up to 29,600. That's what you can see. The price is just bouncing within this level here, shorter time frame. And of course, we have this EMAs 20, 50, 200 and 100 EMA all acting as resistance for Bitcoin. That is why I remain bearish. We have a bearish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. We have the bearish divergence in the weekly time frame. We have double bearish divergence in the 1-hour time frame. So let's see if this plays out in the coming days. Again, I remain bearish on Bitcoin. Short-term target $28,500 up to $28,000. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you think Bitcoin will hit the 28,000 target or the 28,500 target? Or are we going to bounce back up first and hit the 30,000 level? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'm going to continue to update you on Twitter about these charts. And if I can find some good trades, I will be posting it first on Twitter. So be sure that you follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.